Hey, today I'm back again for another video. That's right. Today we're gonna react to Samuel Bowser Jr.'s dog. Make sure, and I'm gonna react to this video today, and make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Okay, and let's get to the video.
It's finally finished. My roll of dominoes and my house of cards is complete. My doctor said I needed a stress reliever because Junior and Bowser stay stressing me. And I think this is it.
All right, Thomas. Today we're gonna be playing blindfolded ball in the house. Does that sound fun? Okay, so the rules are: you gotta take this ball and throw it into that lamp right there. All right, so I'm gonna throw it in it.
Whoa.
No, please.
That was close.
Thank you, baby Jesus.
Oh, jump easy. You see my ball?
What's wrong with you, Junior? I spent all morning stacking these stupid dominoes and freaking cards up. What's wrong with you?
Junior! What are you doing in the bathroom, Shelby?
What? I'm not in the bathroom, you idiots.
Oh, shit, maybe you made a huge mess.
Oh, I made the mess. That's what happened.
Where's my ball at?
I don't know. What the hell is wrong with you? What are you talking about?
Did I make it in the lamp?
Junior.
Oh, score! I got it in the lamp, Thomas.
Yep.
Junior, why? Just tell me why did you have to do that? I spent all morning stacking up those stupid dominoes in a damn house of cards.
Well, that's pretty stupid.
Look, I don't judge you. It was just to relieve stress, and you just keep on causing it.
Well, I made the ball in the lamp, so I get 10 points.
What the hell does that mean? Well, can't you just play outside, Junior?
But it's Thomas's turn to make it in the lamp.
Look, why don't you just play outside? The street lamps outside. They're super tall. You could be shooting for days.
Street lamps? Oh, Thomas, come outside. We're gonna play outside. Whoa, now that's a big street lamp. But I forgot my blindfold. And where's Thomas?
Oh, hey, dumb
Oh, hey, Jackie Chew. Is that your dog?
Oh no, this is my dinner.
Your dinner?
What?
Oh yeah, every day I go to pet store and pick out dog for dinner. It's very
You
expensive.
eat dogs?
Well, why are you gonna eat them?
Cause it's good. It's Chinese tradition.
Really?
Well, can I pet him?
No, affection spoils the meat. It makes it less tender.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Nice seeing
You
you,
are
Jackie Chew.
Oh, see you
you're
later.
taking it.
Oh, hey, that dog looked really cool. I want a dog. Dad!
Come on, Magical 8-Ball. You have all the answers. Now tell me, will I ever meet Charlie? Try again later? No, I need to know right now, damn it.
Dad!
What do you want, Junior?
Well, I was outside playing with my ball, and I saw Jackie Chew, and he had a cute dog that he was about to eat, and it made me realize I really want a dog.
Wait, why do you want a dog now? That'll be very expensive, and I don't think we can have one in this apartment right now.
Because the dogs are so cool, and I think every kid should have a dog, because the dog would play with me, I'd always have someone to play with, and he would bark, and it would just be really cool.
That's kind of true. Nobody really plays with you like that, so...
Yeah, so I need a dog.
Look, I just spent all my money on the stupid 8-Ball already. I can't spend money on a dog right now.
Oh, Dad, I really want a dog.
Junior, please. How about we just wait until Christmas? Then I'm gonna bring you one.
I don't want to wait till Christmas. I want one right now. You're the worst dad ever.
Stupid spoiled brat. Oh, wait, maybe I can make a dog.
I
got this 8-Ball
No.
right here. That could work. That
No.
could be the body. And I got a slinky. That could be the tail. Yeah. How am I gonna get this to work?
no, don't try that.
Yeah, he knows how to make inanimate objects come to life. Yeah, I'll do that.
Don't.
Craig!
No.
Craig!
Oh, come on.
Hey there.
Hey, Craig. I need you to do a favor for me, okay?
Okay?
I need you to make this 8-Ball and this little slinky into a dog, okay?
Into a dog.
Yeah.
You don't know what a dog looks like, right?
Yeah, I know what dogs
Tail
look
and
like.
the fur. Oh, okay. Well, you do know that whatever I make will be evil, yes?
Oh, I have no
Okay.
issue with it. I'm not gonna wash the dog anyway.
Perfect. Okay, now stand back.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
That is not what I had in mind at all.
Oh, he looks perfect. Oh, you're so beautiful.
Perfect.
Yeah. He looks like a real dog. Like a German Shepherd. Wait, where are you going? I need to show you to Junior.
You're welcome.
Thomas, I'm really sad. want a dog, and Dad says we have to wait till Christmas. I don't want to wait that long. Hey, where are you?
No, that's Thomas!
Thomas!
So do you like a new dog, Junior?
That's not a dog, Dad.
What's wrong with you? He's so cute. Yeah, he is a dog. What's wrong with you?
No, Dr. Food.
He looks like a ball.
He has a tail. Look at the chain on the back.
Yep.
It's so cute.
And a chompy.
That's not a dog.
Look, I just had him summoned and everything, okay? So you're gonna play with him and you're gonna learn the responsibilities of having a dog, okay?
Wow. I can't believe this guy.
We're doing all that whining over a stupid dog.
Can I have Thomas back? I'm gonna reach for him.
Wow.
Oh, I know. I'll trade you something for Thomas. Ooh. Look at this nice TV remote. You don't want the TV remote? Okay. Just stay right there.
Oh, man.
Wow.
I can't believe Junior just
How
knocked down my
baby.
dominoes. Now I'm gonna clean it up. Oh, I can't stand that brat.
Hey, Chef Baby.
Well, what do you want, Junior?
Do we have any type of meat or dog food in the kitchen?
We have like roast beef in the refrigerator, but don't touch it. It's supposed to be for dinner.
Okay, I won't touch it.
Oh my goodness! No!
Okay, dog. I got you some roast beef. Hey, why are you chewing on the pillow? Stop!
He's destroying the couch!
Ew, you pooped on the
Ew!
Disgusting. Wait,
Ew!
spit Thomas out. Ew, he's covered in slobber. Ew, I'm gonna go wash him off.
I'm gonna wash these.
Alright, Chef Baby, can you turn on the sink so I can wash Thomas?
Wait, what are you washing Thomas for?
Well, my dog just chewing slobber all over when I want to clean him off.
What are you talking about? When did you get a dog?
About 2 minutes ago.
Wait, I gotta see this. Come on.
Yeah. Okay, Chef Baby, sit here.
They destroyed the couch!
Well, calm down, Chef Baby. He just chewed on a few things.
A few things! The couch is destroyed, the lamp is tilted over, and the painting is about to come down! This is more than a few things, Junior. What the hell happened?
I don't know. He's just a rabid dog and he chews on it and he poops everywhere, too.
Oh!
my God, it's too bad!
Oh my gosh!
Disgusting!
But where is he?
I don't know, you tell me!
Oh no! Right.
Here's my dog, Chef Baby.
What the hell is that?
That's my dog.
It doesn't look like a dog, Junior. I know what a dog looks like.
Well,
That's not it.
Well, Dad said he made it.
You can't make a dog, Junior. Are you retarded?
Well, Dad said he made it.
Oh, we have to capture it some way, somehow. That's weird.
Okay, well,
He's staring at me.
well, let's try to capture him in the bathroom. Let's make a trail of food or something, and we can capture him in the bathroom.
Okay, do you know what he eats?
Garbage, couches, and stuff.
Okay, just get a bunch of stuff and then we'll
Okay.
learn.
All right, Chef Baby, I found something better than food and couches. A rubber chicken.
What?
Really?
A rubber chicken? What the hell? Why?
Because dogs can't resist rubber chickens. I watched it on Animal Planet. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to squeak the toy, and I'm going to yell, "Doggy, come get the rubber chicken," and he's going to run really fast. And you're going to throw the toy in the bathroom, and we're going to capture him in the bathroom.
You really think this is gonna work?
Yeah, so just pick it up, and I'm going to call his name. All right, Doggy, we got a rubber chicken.
I can't believe it actually
Chef
worked.
Baby's coming, throw it.
Okay.
Oh my goodness!
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Oh my God, it hurts. It hurts. I'm in so much pain.
All right, Chef Baby, I got you a mushroom. Here, eat it.
Okay. What is this supposed to do?
When you eat it, it makes you feel better.
Okay.
That stupid bad dog, get out of here! Stupid dog. You feel better now?
Whoa! It actually worked.
Yeah, what was in that mushroom? It tastes real good and it got me cured. Well, I should be in hospitals.
Yeah, I don't know. Dad uses them sometimes, and Mario does too. But anyway, we gotta find a way to capture that stupid dog.
Do you have an idea or something?
No.
I think I know. Hold on, just stay here.
Well, that's
Okay.
This should
I
take
think
care of them.
Whoa, Chef Baby, what is this?
Oh, it's the K9 cannon. Or a tennis ball shooter.
Oh, wow. So how is this gonna take care of him?
Oh, I just aim it at him. As soon as he comes around that corner, just blast him. Then he won't know what hit him.
Whoa, that'd be so cool. I'm gonna call him, okay?
Okay.
Doggy, come here! Oh, okay, Chef Baby, shoot him!
Okay, I'm ready.
Well, that was terrible.
Chef Baby?
No. And I'm out of ammo now.
Oh, that again!
Oh man, I feel so much better now.
Chef Baby, you need to stop being attacked. We're running out of mushrooms.
Well, tell your dog to stop attacking me then, Junior.
I don't know why he keeps attacking you. Maybe he likes big noses because you have a big nose.
Really?
Yeah, anyway, we gotta get him in that bathroom.
running out of ideas. And why are we focused on the stupid bathroom anyway? We should be getting him out of the front door.
Well, I mean, we gotta get him in the bathroom because something from my video game past is telling me that we need to get him a hot bath. That would calm him down.
A hot bath, Junior?
Yeah, a hot bath. I don't know what's telling me, but we just gotta give him a hot bath.
Well, how are we going to get him in the bathroom? Because the bathtub is in there. We haven't even got him in there yet, in the bathroom.
Well, all your ideas were stupid and they failed.
Yeah?
I know. I gotta get a hold of that chain behind him. If I can grab that chain, I can drag him into the bathroom.
Okay, how do you plan on doing that then?
I don't know. We can't get behind him because he's always focused on us.
Yeah.
I know. You can pretend to be a big juicy steak.
Wait, what?
When he comes to eat you, I grab him by the chain.
A steak, Junior?
Yeah, pretend to be a steak. Do it.
Okay, I'm lying here.
No, make steak noises.
Steak noise, Junior?
Yeah, it's like sizzle, sizzle and stuff.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Yeah, sizzle, sizzle.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Louder.
Sizzle, you sizzle.
Say you're a steak.
I'm a steak.
Louder.
Sizzle, sizzle, I'm a steak. Sizzle, sizzle, I'm a steak.
He's coming, Chef Baby. I believe in you.
I can't believe it actually worked.
I got him by the chain. I got him by the chain. Oh, come on, you stupid dog. Okay, you stupid dog. Whoa, he's all happy now.
Junior, it actually works. I can't believe that.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really awesome. He's really calm now.
That's cool.
Wait.
What's that?
What? I think it's a shine sprite.
Well, what does it do?
You get it for doing something good.
Are you gonna touch it?
Well, if you touch it, I think it ends the episode.
I think you should touch it.
Well,
Wow.
okay.
Whoa.